So guys, this is the result right here. So right here is my marks. I did it. Let me know down in the comments if you ever try moringa marks, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share and comment so you can keep me motivated to do it. I love you. See you. So after I finish blending, this is the result. This is my onion juice right here. And onion juice known for, has a lot of sulfates, and which known for collagen production for the hair growth, scalp, and also keep dandruff away. Why? The next ingredient is moringa right here. Moringa packed with vitamin A, C, and calcium. Nourish the hair, improve the hair texture and hair growth. So I'm just gonna pour it and mix it up. Okay, let me add my honey. Honey is for hydration. Honey is for hydration again, once again. So I'm just gonna mix everything together. Let me mix everything together and I'll be back. So this is the result after I mix it up. This is the result, that contain moringa, honey, and onion juice. So I'm just gonna add my deep condition right here from my favorite brand, and I'll show you the application. So guys, this is my scalp. My hair is damp, so I'm doing deep condition today. So see that? I'm just gonna apply it like that. See? See that? See that? See that? All right. Let me keep doing it.